Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by installing Microsoft Teams and confirming your account so you can join meetings and access files. Open the App Store or Play Store, search Microsoft Teams, and tap Install. Once done, sign in with your work, school, or personal Microsoft account. This determines what you see. Make sure to allow camera, microphone, and notifications when prompted so calls and alerts work smoothly. If multi-factor authentication is required, complete that step to secure access. Now you'll learn to move through the app and start conversations. Tap the bottom bar tabs to switch views: Chat for one-to-one, Teams for channels, Calendar for scheduled meetings. To message, open a chat or channel, type in the Compose box, and send. Use it mentions to notify specific people. To start a call or video, open a chat or channel and tap the phone or camera icon, choose audio or video. This lets you quickly connect without needing a desktop, saving time on the go. Finish by managing meetings and files so you can collaborate end-to-end. Tap Calendar to join scheduled meetings or use a meeting link. Before joining, select speaker, mic, and camera settings to control how you appear and listen. To share or edit documents, open files in a chat or channel and tap to view in Teams or in the Office app. If audio or video fail, make sure permissions are enabled, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or mobile data, and restart the app. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.